have already learnt about these numbers. We know that these numbers are called integers. Integers include these positive numbers, 0, and these negative numbers. And we have also learned how to compare two integers. Now, in this lecture, we'll learn how can we arrange the different integers in ascending or descending manner. So let us see. So these are the different integers. The negative integers, 0, which is the neutral number, and the positive integers. And we also know that the numbers are increasing in this direction. So as I move from left to right, the numbers are increasing. That is, any number on the right is greater than any number on the left. Using this, we will arrange these integers in ascending and descending order. But before we go ahead, let us see something. So for negative numbers, numbers are increasing in this direction, which means that the numbers are decreasing in this direction. That is, negative 2 is less than negative 1. Negative 3 is less than negative 2. Negative 4 is less than negative 3, and so on. That is, for negative integers, as we count further, the numbers decrease. They become lesser and lesser. So numbers reduce or decrease as we count further in the case of negative integers. Now, just by looking at this, we can formulate certain rules or tricks which will help us arrange these integers quickly. So what is the first trick? Any positive number is always greater than any negative number. So if we see that the positive numbers are towards the right, all the positive numbers are towards the right, and all the negative numbers are towards the left. So any positive number, so even if I take the smallest positive number, that is 1, any positive number will be greater than any negative number. So we can take any negative number, a positive number will be greater than a negative number. This is a very simple trick which will help us arrange these integers. Second is, 0 is always greater than any negative number. So you take any negative number, no matter what it is. 0 is towards the right of that number, so it is greater than any negative number. So if we have negative numbers and 0, I can say that 0 is greater than any negative number. A negative number with a lower magnitude is greater than a negative number with a higher magnitude. So if I am comparing two negative numbers, let me take negative 3 and negative 5. Now negative 3 is towards the right. So negative 3 is greater than negative 5. Magnitude of negative 3 is 3 and magnitude of negative 5 is 5. This is the negative number with lower magnitude, and this is greater than this number. So negative number with a lower magnitude is greater than a negative number with a higher magnitude. So using these three tricks, we can easily arrange the integers in ascending or descending order. So first, we need to arrange these given integers in ascending order. Now ascending order means smallest to the largest. So I need to write down the smallest number first and then keep on increasing the integers and write the largest number at the end. So first I need to look at the numbers and their signs. So I have negative 32, negative 9, negative 13. 0 and negative 100. So I have 4 negative numbers and 0. 0 is a neutral number. Now I know that 0 is greater than any negative number. So 0 will be greater than these 4 numbers. So 0 is the greatest among these numbers. So 0 will come right at the end. And I need to arrange the remaining numbers. Now what are the remaining numbers? The remaining numbers are negative 32, negative 9, negative 13 and negative 100. Now I need to compare these negative numbers among themselves. I know that a negative number with a lower magnitude is greater than a negative number with a higher magnitude. Or what I can do is I can just take the magnitudes of these numbers, that is the positive values of these numbers. So instead of negative 32, I take 32. Then for negative 9, I take 9. For negative 13, I take 13. And for negative 100, I take 100. So these are the magnitudes of these numbers. Now, negative numbers are exactly the opposite of positive numbers. So now, if I have to arrange these numbers from smallest to largest, 9 will come first. Then I will have 13, then 32, and then 100. But remember, these are not my numbers. My numbers are the negative numbers. So, I know in the case of negative numbers, everything gets reversed. So, in the case of negative numbers, I just need to reverse the order. So, first I will have negative 100. Then I will have negative 32. Then I will have negative 13. And then we have negative 9. So these are the numbers arranged in ascending order. That is from the smallest to the largest. So for negative numbers, we first convert it into positive numbers. That is, we ignore the sign, arrange them from smallest to largest, and then reverse the order to get the numbers in ascending orders. So this is our list in ascending order. Negative 32 is greater than negative 100. Negative 13 is greater than negative 32. Negative 9 is greater than negative 13. And 0 is greater than negative 9. So this is how you can arrange the numbers in ascending order. Now we need to arrange these numbers in descending order. Descending order means arranging the numbers from the largest to the smallest. The method is the same. Firstly, we need to look at the signs of the numbers. So I have negative 2, 0, 1, negative 5. So I have two negative numbers, a neutral number 0 and one positive number, the number 1. Now I need to find the largest number. I know that 0 is greater than any negative number. I know that any positive number is greater than any negative number. So the positive number 1 will be greater than negative 2 and it will also be greater than negative 5. So 1 is greater than negative 2 and 1 is also greater than negative 5 because any positive number is greater than any negative number. Now between 1 and 0, which is greater, I know that 1 is greater than 0. So 1 is also greater than 0. So among these four numbers, 1 is the greatest number or the largest number. So 1 will come first. Now I have two negative numbers and a 0. I know that 0 is greater than any negative number. So 0 is greater than -2 and 0 is greater than -5. So after 1, I have 0. Now what is left? I have -2 and -5 remaining. Now I just consider their positive values, that is their magnitudes. So the magnitude of -2 is 2 and the magnitude of -5 is 5. Now if I arrange them in descending order, I will have 5 and 2 because 5 is greater than 2. But in the case of negative numbers, everything gets reversed. So the descending order will also get reversed. So first I will have -2, then I will have -5. So these are the numbers arranged in descending order, that is from the largest to the smallest. 1 is greater than 0, 0 is greater than -2, -2 is greater than -5. So this is how you can arrange the integers in ascending or descending order. So now can you try this on your own? You need to arrange these 5 integers in descending order, that is from the largest to the smallest. Well, for that we first look at the signs. So I have 2 negative integers. I have a 0 and 2 positive integers, 12 and 91. Now I know descending order means largest to smallest. So any positive integer is greater than any negative integer. So these 2 positive integers will be greater than these 2. Also, any positive integer is greater than 0. So 12 and 91 will be greater than 0. Now between 12 and 91, which is the greater number? 91. So 91 will come before 12. So first I have the positive integers. What is left? I have 2 negative integers left and a 0 left. I know 0 is greater than any negative integer. So 0 will be greater than -12 and 0 will be greater than -91. So after 12, I have 0. Now I have 2 negative integers which are left, -12 and -91. I consider only their magnitudes, that is 12 and 91. Now if I arrange these in descending order, first I will have 91 and then 12. But in the case of negative number, everything gets reversed. So even the order will get reversed. So I have -12, which is greater than -91. So these are the numbers arranged in descending order, that is from the largest to the smallest. So first we need to group the numbers according to their signs and then arrange them if we get mixed integers, that is integers having positive, negative or the neutral integer 0. If we have to arrange them in ascending or descending order, first we need to arrange them group wise and then within the group we need to arrange them. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.